Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the earbuds and taking action immediately. Put both Jbuds in the case, leave the lid open, and make sure they show charging LED activity. Once done, press and hold the left and right earbud buttons simultaneously for about 10 seconds. This initiates the factory reset sequence. You do this because it clears paired device memory and settings. Make sure the earbuds flash or power cycle to confirm the reset command has been accepted before moving on. Now you continue with the more detailed execution to ensure the reset completes. After holding both buttons, watch for the LED pattern change. That visual cue tells you the internal memory was cleared. Release the buttons when the lights shift, and then close the case for 5 seconds to allow the earbuds to reinitialize. Open the case and take them out. They should enter pairing mode. You do this to force a clean startup and remove any lingering Bluetooth profiles that could cause reconnection issues. Finish by pairing the freshly reset earbuds like new. Remove previous pairings on your phone, scan, and connect to the Jlab Jbuds Air entry. You should notice improved stability and default settings restored. If pairing fails, repeat the reset once more and power cycle your phone. Sometimes cached Bluetooth data blocks new connections. For persistent audio or connection problems, consider checking for a firmware update or contacting Jlab support. That step helps because deeper software issues may need manufacturer tools or replacement guidance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.